So there are some things in Jamaica that you just cannot get overseas. Even if you get them, them not go nice like if you get them out here. And since it's the season for tripping, there are some things that are must-haves for your suitcase. Just ask Spice Official, which, by the way, congratulations on winning the MTV TV award last night for Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. So we're going to check out Spice's must-haves before we show you our producers.
Okay, guys, so let me share a little behind the scenes with you guys, since all my fans are always asking, how I manage to live on the road. As most of you know, I travel a lot. So I basically live out of a suitcase. But as much as I enjoy going to different countries and enjoying different cultures, there's absolutely nothing.
Hey,
All right.
what happened? All right, we're going to go back to that video shortly. Essentially, what happens next is that Spice opens the suitcase and there's a corner shop in there. Have a look. Coming back?
Welcome with it, Benji. Welcome with it before Spice travel. Well, we can look at ours in the meantime.
I'm just saying. No? Yes? All right, so let me tell you what Spice having for her own. And maybe I should tell you what she don't have. Because she had everything in there. She had some mackerel, if I remember correctly. All her bread she traveled with. Just about everything was in there. So we know as Jamaicans, for some of us who travel to foreign, overseas, abroad, which that can be region, US or UK, depending on where you go.
So I'm saying this is our producers because my suitcase having fish.
Are you joking?
Fish?
Are you one of those people?
Fish, someone?
Oh,
Hey,
Harris.
let me tell you, that's how me love travel with Oliver Samuels.
No, Harris,
I want to get a
man.
joke. Oliver travel with some fish, you see? By the time I reach LA, hear him now? You know, next time I travel with fish, me not tell you, no? Every minute to run, go by first class, open up the top.
And take out a fish?
While he was sleeping. By the time I reached his power, the none never left. He wasn't appreciative
why are you
of it.
traveling with fry fish?
Because you don't know if you're going to get it when you got here. And fry fish,
How long were you going to be gone for?
Then someone, how long fry fish are going to stay?
I'm just asking, how long are you going to be gone for?
And in one instance, we were away for 2 weeks. So we'll go, we'll put it up in the fridge. And when we're ready, England, we don't get Jamaica thing. And we brown
there's so
stew
many
the fish.
English eateries
No, go fry
that...
like when you fry at your yard. All of me go Canada, me carry fish, my mother.
You carry fried chicken?
No, sir.
You carry oxtail?
No, sir.
Cow food and beans?
No, sir.
How come?
Them something they can't preserve so good like fish. Them can't preserve like fish.
You carry breadfruit?
Yes.
Jesus.
Carry roast breadfruit.
You and my mother can live.
Carry
I'm over.
ackee.
One time my mother gave me about half a dozen breadfruit to carry to foreign. And when I reached JFK, I reached outside of the airport. A taxi man run over my suitcase and bust it up, highlight breadfruit, then mash up. But
You never carry it with a willing heart.
no, I did not. Is it true?
You never carry it with a willing heart.
Also, it was very heavy and very bulky, so I just think it's the fate that
No,
was
sir.
supposed to reach it.
No, sir. Me always have a liquor suitcase. That's one I'm pull on. A pair of food tonight. Ackee fried
I was
fish.
just going to ask if you carry ackee.
Potato pudding. What else me always carry with me? Anything them ask me if I may carry it in there.
No,
Not KFC. I see some Jamaican people now, them have to carry KFC.
I would carry KFC.
Me no,
because KFC is there's no KFC in the world
like Jamaica
that
KFC.
tastes like Jamaican KFC.
Me not trouble with
So
it.
I could justify that, right?
not trouble with it.
I'd have no problem arguing that.
Pudding. I'm a pudding lady. Christmas time, I call Mama Jones. She send me Christmas cake.
You carry rum cake too?
Yeah, Mama Jones cake.
Gizzardo.
Yes. I want to tell you
So
something.
look here, Anthony, take up your suitcase, miss.
Why? And step on plane? And what kind of plane you travel pants more?
Well, obviously sweet things called ants.
Pan
So
plane?
the ants have visa.
No,
Ants
Simon.
can't
Bammy. Me carry bammy too. But I don't fry them. They have the little small round ones. I'll take them and then they will freeze them and
use them soaked already?
No, in the pack. As they are in the pack. And when you go patty, for sure. I don't, because where they live near to a bakery up there, and she does pretty good patties.
I don't carry patties.
But people will carry patties.
I can buy my family bakery patty,
Patty,
over there, so
right.
I'm good.
White rum for those who need it.
It's also sold in foreign, but okay. Peanut cake.
Peanut.
Also sold in foreign, but
yes,
okay.
I carry the peanut cake, drops, gizzada. The Coconut Industry Board has a nice place on Waterloo Road. If you go
they
there,
sure do.
you can just get them for
You
buy.
carry coconut water?
Where you carry coconut water? Go
Why you
Simone?
carry fried fish?
Then coconut there foreign?
For fish not that foreign?
No, but not they fry. They not fry like I fry
Oh,
out
you mean
here.
it don't? How is it different? How you fry something different? All you have to do is know how to make the scabeach sauce. You put the
You
little
got-
vinegar, the little scotchy, little carrot, you soak up.
No,
up
man,
for
the
days.
Jamaica seasoning, them why you not eat.
Tell you something. My
Jamaica
family
seasoning,
over
yeah.
into foreign cook
And the
local
foreign
fare
fish and
for
Jamaica
sale.
fish are not same fish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you go up there, you buy some fish when I see them fish out here.
Okay. So it's the quality of the fish, not necessarily the...
The Caribbean sea fish. And I see them fish like the big sea fish. Marvin, it's not the same.
Which fish is which sea is
And when you buy the fish there, you're not guaranteed that it's fresh, is it? But then when I buy it here,
where are you buying fish?
I know so the fisherman
In
them
foreign?
this come out of the boat. In a supermarket.
You don't
Do you
know
think me go buy fish and catch a foreign?
You don't know that. You don't know.
No, Simone, but if you're there in New York, which buy fish catch a New York?
Tell them.
You'd have to go way upper Poughkeepsie, Albany, and them places if you go
No,
catch
you
fish.
don't.
Long Island, maybe.
To go.
You don't know where the fish are come from. Then the fish that catch a China and package and come all the way America. When you buy a Portmore, me live in. Portmore, me live when me buy fisherman just a come out of the
Well,
water.
you have that connection.
Fresh
I don't
fish.
think the fish is coming from China.
Yes,
No, I don't.
yes. You look on the fish. When you are cut the fish, you look inside. Made in China. Yes? And una
Listen.
eating. No, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you travel regular,
Yes.
like Oliver and Claire the Dalia, with or without your ears muffin, there are tons of Jamaican places in Brooklyn, Bronx. It doesn't matter where you go. They have the tough crackers. Them have the gizzada. Them have the mango start export now, so you don't have to carry none again.
Simone, you know what I mean? Because Jamaica people, only love when people send barrel come phone. Come on now.
I don't get
You know
barrel.
that?
Nobody don't ever send
Only
a
love when
barrel
you
for
know
me.
out and people send things and I can say,
No.
why when the people them a come from foreign, them for bring shoes and clothes and things for you. Bring something when you
I
go
want that
foreign.
neither. I travel light. I want to carry what I'm carrying,
Me I carry
put it
food.
over my head or under the seat in front of me so that when I catch out of the plane, I don't have to stand up for an hour waiting on baggage and luggages. They're going to hop in your suitcase, dig up your hockey, touch up your breadfruit.
No, if you package
feed
it
up,
properly,
feed
they're
up.
not going to
Yeah,
dig it.
he'd feel up. Meal, feed up.
Simone, you know,
I go
you-
foreign, I go there cross.
never had
me
that-
get me
I've never had
callaloo,
that
me get my
experience.
hockey, me get anything me want over there.
I
Shameless
go
plug.
one time them ever go in my suitcase because my wonderful helper at that time tell me French, hear me have my conversation on the phone, you know, and she interject, no, you can't carry mango. And I said, no, you can't carry mangoes. Not whole, you have to cut them up. And she said, no, she know how to carry them. Marvin, look at most men there this morning, you know? Because when me step off of the aircraft, I reach into the custom. Somebody said, Delia, are your suitcase the dog I dig up? Somebody said, what you say? When I look, you know, look here, man, make I hold my mouth. If you ever see the dog in my suitcase, I say, you see how this wicked woman make me
be
go
lucky
prison, man.
and grateful that it was mango in your suitcase
Yeah,
and
no.
nothing else for the dog.
Uncle mango.
Yeah.
When this lady say, whose suitcase? And you know them do? Zip up your back, put your back on the carousel.
Of course.
Me say, you see how the American people
Of
are
course.
terrible. Because I go there now and she said, and she said, is that your bag? I said, it is. She said, are you carrying something in it? I said, mangoes. And she said, ma'am, you're not allowed to carry mangoes. Me said, me will dash them where? Me dash them where? No, me I tell
Did you have a
and I
copy
lie,
of
me I tell-
this? You could have used it at the time.
No, but suppose me never see when them a dig up the bag. And she said, is that your bag? Yes.
Yes, of God.
Do you have anything in there? No.
Nothing to declare,
I
miss.
wouldn't be here.
Well, she must have had this in her hand. Some
My
people don't
grandmother
travel without
prayers
this
was
Bible.
on me.
Bible.
My grandmother prayers
right.
was with me.
I'm going to take a break and smile.
That's,
No?
The video?
Oh, the video is finally
We'll
running
find back
now?
Spice video?
All right.
Okay.
Go
So
ahead,
look up
Linda.
my story.
Okay, guys, so let me share a little behind the scenes with you guys, since all my fans are always asking, how I manage to live on the road. As most of you know, I travel a lot. So I basically live out of a suitcase. But as much as I enjoy going to different countries and enjoying different cultures, there's absolutely nothing to me like my Jamaican things then. You understand? Yeah, wanna know about them something here? Wanna know about my bully beef? Wanna know about it? When I drop like a black pepper and this and salt and onion and mix that up, I grate a little cheese in it and make my sandwich. I'm good to go. I ask you. Yeah, this is my favorite bun, by the way, spice bun, free advertisement. And I enjoy this cornflakes, cup soup there, I'm something there. I don't stop us so. Wanna know about them something here? I'm glad my dancer them there, because them look at it and love them belly, see them would have come near my things them. Wanna know about this? I saw me travel 2 weeks on the road. You can take a Jamaican out of Jamaica, but you can't take the Jamaica out of them. Wanna know about the sardine and tough crackers? When I ask you, I saw me travel.
Tough crackers, yeah.
How much weight you supposed to have in that one suitcase?
I'm
Because
not
Spice
sure.
look like she overweight every time she travel with that bag.
She loves bread.
Spice,
Can
but you
tell
have a
that.
wholesale.
She does. She can sell.
You have a wholesale. Well,
She
me
can
not so
sell for
bad.
sure. But you know
Me
what?
not so
They're-
bad.
those comforts make you feel like you're not too far away from home. It's very important.
Well,
Gives you a
nobody no
sense
beg
of-
me carry no more mango. That may I try tell you. No.
Well, but you will carry a fish.
Yeah, because fish is not on the list of things that you can carry to America. Well, fried. Nobody try carry it raw. They will lock one up. So, but fruits, you have to cut them up and package them properly. Me say, I vex. Me say, look how this woman are going to make America lock me up.
We could have read about you on the front page of
You
the
need
Star.
to read about me, would I come like a fisherman them?
I doubt that.
All
baby.
3 years pass and them I say, you don't want to deal with Harris?
Not for some
Look like she
mango.
run off.
She's catching fish.
And
in
you
the
know,
Long Island.
Jamaica people stay in Jody. When I come back at 10 years from now and say, Dale, where were you? And I say, you know, them, they lock me up to carry mango. Them are going to say, mango. Mango.
That's true.
She a say, a mango. You see car where she drive and a mango.
Guys, we'll be right back.